अभी हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मिस्टर सूरज परमार जी से, जो है MCHI क्रेडाई थाने यूनिट के प्रेसिडेंट। हेलो सर, वेलकम टू स्पिन टीवी। आप जो हर साल इतनी मेहनत करते हैं इस एग्जीबिशन को सक्सेसफुल करने में, तो किस तरह का सर हर साल रिस्पांस बढ़ता रहता है, किस तरह का एक्साइटमेंट आप देखते हैं आप?
हर साल ये एग्जीबिशन, दिस इज आवर 14th ईयर, हर साल ये एग्जीबिशन इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम अ वेरी स्मॉल एग्जीबिशन एंड नाउ आप देख सकते हो अराउंड 1 लाख फुट का पंडाल है। एंड द डेवलपर्स ओवर ईयर, हमारे टीम बहुत स्ट्रांग है, डेवलपर्स कम्युनिटी का हमको सपोर्ट बहुत है। एवरी डे इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग। अभी लास्ट ईयर हम लोग ने अराउंड 80-90,000 फुटफॉल्स हुए थे। टुडे इज़ द थर्ड डे, आई थिंक सो अराउंड 40,000 फुटफॉल्स तो क्लियर हो गए हैं एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट अराउंड 25 to 30,000 टुडे एंड टुमारो इज़ द लास्ट डे। मेरे हिसाब से ये दिन ब दिन बढ़ते रहने वाला। इसका in due course, in some years, it will, we hope it will be one of the biggest exhibition, more than Mumbai, bigger than Mumbai.
I am sorry to cut you down. I think it is already one of the biggest exhibition in Navi Mumbai. I see that way because I see a lot of footfall here. So लोगों का जो expectation है MCHI से, so I see somewhere it is fulfilling. और developers also have launched lot of new projects. तो ये developer का किस तरह से requirement होता है? क्या इनको यहाँ पे वो exhibition में वो उनकी जो एक lead generation होता है, एक सेल्स प्रॉस्पेक्ट होता है, वो फुलफिल होता है यहाँ पे?
मैडम, ये एग्जीबिशन में डेवलपर का फायदा एंड कस्टमर्स का फायदा, इट इज हैंड इन हैंड। व्हाई? हियर देयर आर अराउंड 100 डेवलपर्स अंडर वन रूफ एंड दे आर ऑफरिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ द स्कीम्स। और नॉर्मली ये पीरियड के अंदर डेवलपर्स काफ़ी लोग स्कीम ऑफर करते हैं कि एग्जीबिशन को प्रमोट करने के लिए। इसमें कस्टमर्स का फ़ायदा ये होता है, अंडर वन रूफ दे आर एबल टू सी अराउंड 100 प्रोजेक्ट्स। उनको घर घर घूमने की ज़रूरत नहीं और हमें क्लाइंट्स मिल जाते हैं। इफ़ यू सी, थाना प्रॉपर्टी एग्जीबिशन इज़ हैविंग अ मैक्सिमम बायर्स बिकॉज थाना इज़ अ कस्टमर ड्रिवन मार्केट, नॉट अ इन्वेस्टर ड्रिवन मार्केट। हमारे यहाँ पर एक्चुअल यूजर्स आते हैं और काफ़ी खरीद बिक्री होती है यहाँ पर। कस्टमर शुड टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय दिस फ्लैट्स। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एग्जीबिशन। Request all of you all to please visit the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable input with us. Spin TV wishes you all the very best and we wish MCHI keep flourishing every year on year. Thank you so much. Thank you. As Mr. Parmar said कि एग्जीबिशन में आपके आने से यहाँ पे काफ़ी प्राइस करेक्शंस भी हुए हैं, काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्चेस भी देखने मिलेंगे आपको और काफ़ी डिस्काउंट्स भी मिल रहे हैं। तो डोंट वेट, प्लीज़ कम एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस एग्जीबिशन। थैंक यू। अभी हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मिस्टर मुकेश सावला जी से, जो है फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ MCHI क्रेडाई थाने यूनिट। हेलो सर एंड वेलकम टू स्पिन टीवी। सर, ये MCHI एग्जीबिशन जो हर साल आता है, तो इसके पीछे आप लोगों का क्या मकसद और क्या विज़न होता है?
देखो, 1999 में जब हमने शुरू किया था एग्जीबिशन चालू करने का, तो एक ऐसी हमारे मन में भावना थी, पूरे भारतवर्ष में जो एग्जीबिशन हो रहे हैं उससे कुछ अलग करना चाहिए। और एग्जीबिशन का मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जो कस्टमर हैं वो एक ही जगह पे आके हर प्रोजेक्ट का छानबीन करके उसको जो अच्छा लगे वो ले सकते हैं। जी उंची गाठ लिया एक्झिबिशनला, ते मला असा वाटतो की संपूर्ण भारतात आम्ही नंबर 1 वर आहोत आणि असाच आमचा प्रयत्न राहील की पुढे पण जे काय एक्झिबिशन येणार तिथे लोकांना जे काय वस्तू दाखवण्यात येते त्याप्रमाणे त्यांना डिलिव्हरी मिळाली पाहिजे आणि तो आमचा प्रयत्न आहे। जे काय कमिटमेंट असतो बिल्डर करना, ती कमिटमेंट पूर्णपणे पालन केला पाहिजे।
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable input with us. We wish you all the very best and we'll keep MCHI flourish every year and year. Thank you so much, sir. तो हमने बात किया मुकेश सावला जी से, जिन्होंने बताया कि MCHI का ये 14th edition is as successful as it was before. Thank you so much. I'm at the stall of Lavasa and going to speak to Mr. Amol Shimpi, Senior Vice President of Sales. Hello sir, welcome to Spin TV. I see a lot of footfall at your stall. What is so exciting about your project?
We first of all welcome you to Lavasa Experience Zone. What we have done over here is that Lavasa, the way it has developed over last 7 years, in form of a live street view, that is evident over here to our customers. There are no animations or there are no computer graphics on our stall, and that is what is basically attracting customers to Lavasa.
How has been the response so far? Did you see any conversion today?
Today we have already collected 2 checks, and over last 3 days we have more than 750 inquiries are already there, and 1.5 days of the exhibition is still left, and we are expecting massive footfall would be coming today post Standard Chartered Marathon is over in Mumbai.
As per you, what is so attracting about Lavasa that people are rather choosing Western Sabha or say main prime location in Mumbai, they are shifting to Lavasa or somewhere remote outskirt of the city?
Having a property at a beautiful natural surrounding as a second home, that has always been an aspiration of people over here. Once you have your primary home done in a city like Mumbai or Pune. But in case of Lavasa, the kind of properties what are available, they are aspirational yet affordable. That's the kind of a byline of Lavasa development. More importantly, life in full. Lavasa believes in that particular philosophy, and therefore, on the basis of we have divided the development in 4 components of live, work, learn and play. So it's not only a kind of a second home destination, it is developing as a full-fledged city with about 240,000 population in about 7 to 8 years time from now.
You just mentioned that it is also an affordable house. So what is the price range when you say it's affordable?
Lavasa, the properties start right from 29 lakh rupees all inclusive, and apartments go up to 2.5 crore all inclusive, and villas start at 1.5 crore all inclusive, and villas go up to 7 crore all inclusive. So we have anything as customers require, with every 2-3 lakh rupees price point variation, something or the other we'll able to make them available at Lavasa.
Okay. Last but not the least, would you like to share something about your project to our viewers and also to the visitor who are coming by the stall?
So Lavasa is a kind of a development where the branding was done beforehand. Live, work, learn, play. These are pillars of Lavasa were decided beforehand. HOK, the largest master planning firm in the world, they have done the master planning. Landor has done the branding of this particular development. And we have right from the beginning, we have believed into this particular idea that our customers and our citizens of Lavasa, their every aspiration should get fulfilled in our city. They should be able to buy from the retail which is getting developed at Lavasa, and more important than that, this is the only hill city currently under construction in the country and spread over 12,500 acres. This particular development is going to make opportunities available to those who are young, at the same time those who want to retire, for anybody and everybody, something would be available at Lavasa. That's what the idea is. Being a tourism city, Lavasa has about 250 hotel rooms already operational, and by the end of the development we should be having 2,000 hotel rooms should be ready over here. And in terms of brands, we have Accor Group Mercure as well as Fortune Group, ITC Fortune Group Hotel is also available, and leading international brands are already signed up, and the hotel room construction is also on. So Lavasa is a full-fledged tourism city where you can even buy your residential properties. More importantly, Lavasa is a managed city. We will never leave Lavasa to the mercy of cooperative housing societies or apartment owners association. Lavasa is going to manage the particular property through our city management services, where a trained city manager from United States is going to take care of Lavasa. He is already on job and is managing the city. This is something what we want to bring on the board. The price point is not something which is important, but what is important is Lavasa going to remain the same after 5 years, 10 years or 20 years. Lavasa is going to ensure that. We have facilities like rental desk also available for customers who want to basically give their apartments on rent while they want to probably shift a little later.
Thank you so much for sharing your time with us, and I am sure the customer would definitely like your project, and I would request all these viewers to come and explore this stall and come and get acquainted with their project. I am sure they have a lot more to offer what just Mr. Amol Chimpi has shared with us. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
At the stall of Soham Group, going to speak to Manoj Asrani ji, and let's know about his project display today. Hello and welcome to Spin TV. How is the response so far?
Response is good. Thane as a market is evolving day by day. I'm participating from last 9 years in MCHI Thane. So every year we see a new kind of category of crowd coming in. So this time there's a lot of footfall from western side. because of the connectivity development of Thana from Ghodbunder Road to Malad side and Eastern Express Highway to till VT we travel in 20 minutes, and obviously the harbour line is itself from Airoli onwards. So there are good number of quality people driving from Malad, Andheri, Kurla, Ghatkopar looking for homes. So what happens is for them Thana is still yet a lot affordable because they are mainly upgrade section of the quality who want to sell their 2 BHKs and look for 3 BHKs or 4 BHKs in Thana. So it's a very win-win deal for all, and the kind of the infra that Thana has shown from last 2 years, it's unbelievable, because Thana as a city is best to live in for its size and kind, wide roads, cleaner air still, no pollution at all, greenery as such. So Thana is the next, I'll say, growth witness to be seen across India.
And now this new metro thing has come up. So do you think this will encourage more Western and Mumbai suburbs people to come and invest in Thane region?
Definitely yes, because the way the route has been planned, see what happens is, local is the lifeline of Mumbai and people travel for the work and all their reasons from local every day. But local extends from Thana till Kalyan, Badlapur and Ambernath. So what happens is it's too crowdy, and the way the route of metro has been decided, it's too easy to commute. In 15-20 minutes you're going to reach Chembur or Vadala or all other areas. So that's the reason I'll say metro can be the next big reason, and that's what we are targeting this time. The way metro has been announced in Thana, next 2 to 3 years we're going to witness that. So Thana going to change a lot after metro.
Since Soham has majority of his project on Ghodbunder Road, so I think Soham will definitely, have advantage of having a metro as a prime amenities, you can say, for connectivity and all. So, are any Soham going to launch any new projects or new schemes will be coming up?
See, Thana as a whole is changing dynamics altogether. Obviously, Ghodbunder Road is the biggest eyed area in Thana because the way amount of development going on in Ghodbunder. See, but it all takes vision. 4 years back, our director, Mr. Chaitanya Parekh, knew that this is going to happen, and we were the first one to launch the luxury project at Ghodbunder Road called Tropical Lagoon. And after giving possession of Tower 1 and Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4 and Tower 5 we are selling now, we have seen a great change that's going to observe. Now we can see people who are going to afford 2 CR of a 2 BHK or 3 CR of a 3 BHK going to come and make the inquiries. So definitely Ghodbunder is going to be a different kind of segment areas altogether. It's going to be a high profile HIG segment of area that's going to be.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable input with us. We wish you all the best for your exhibition. So, as Mr. Manoj Asrani said, metro will definitely link lot of investors and lot of home buyers. So keep tuned to Spin TV. Come and experience this exhibition and do visit Soham Group as well. Thank you so much. At the stall of City Group, going to speak to Mr. Dhananjay. Let's have a quick interview. Hello Sam, and welcome to Spin TV. What project have you displayed today?
We have Highland Colosseum, which is 25-story tower, and we have launched exclusively in this MCHI exhibition. We are providing an exclusive discount over here, which is a very marginal in size, that is 630 rupees discount, which is, none of the builders will give you this type of discount in the exhibition. This is 25-story tower with all the luxurious amenities. So we have 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments exclusively for our viewers. And we have given the discount, what I said, this is the exclusive discount for these 3 days. That is 630 rupees. So we have launched this tower in this MCHI exhibition.
How often do you participate in MCHI, and does participating in MCHI benefits you in any way in conversion of leads and in sales as well?
Of course, we are venue partner of this MCHI exhibition. For last, I think 10 to 12 years, we are associated with MCHI exhibition, and we have very good response from these exhibitions.
So I can say you have got good conversions this time.
100%. We are looking for many more conversions. We have already converted, I think, 3 bookings for last 3 days, and we are expecting many more.
What is the major query you receive from these visitors? What exactly are they looking at exhibition?
The expectations from our customers are, they want an affordable price, which we are giving them. And at the same time, they also want this. The property should be in and the proximity to all the malls, market, and schools, colleges. So that all we are fulfilling all the customers' requirement.
Last but not the least, would you like to say something to our visitor and viewers who are watching you on screen?
I request all the visitors and viewers that you definitely you are invited to our stall. You just have a look at our sites. You have a look at our projects. These are very good projects, which is very proximity to all malls, markets, schools, colleges. So I request all the exhibitors, all the viewers, all the visitors that you visit our stall. You will definitely get what you want.
Thank you for speaking with us. We wish you all the best for your exhibition. As Mr. Dhananjay said, their project has got a lot to offer. So why wait? Please come and explore this exhibition and also visit their stall. You stay tuned to Spin TV and keep watching us. At the stall of Vijay Group, going to speak to Mr. Ashish Gupta, who's heading sales. Hello sir, welcome to Spin TV. How has the response been so far?
The response is good. We expected such a response from MCHI as always. Being a Sunday, we are rolling quite good. We have displayed all our projects, all ongoing projects, but majorly we have displayed our landmark project, that is Vijay Estate and Aurovia. Aurovia, we were calling it as Land of Prosperity, wherein it is off Waghbil Road, it is on the Waghbil Road and off Ghodbunder Road, Thane. And the Neral project is at Neral.
Mr. Shinde has inaugurated that metro thing in Thane. So does that will give a boom to Thane projects or Ghodbunder Road as a first home destination?
Oh yes, definitely. It would completely change the makeover of Thane as a whole, as a destination. Thane would be benefited as Andheri and other places have already been. So it is good. The metro would add to the spectrum of Thane.
Every year you participate at MCHI. So what is the agenda behind this? Do you participate for the lead purpose or is just the marketing platform?
Participation in MCHI is beneficial for both the clients, the home seekers, the end users and the exhibitors as well. As an exhibitor, we provide them a platform to come and choose as in what is exactly they want to have as in terms of their house. So it is beneficial for both. We as a group, we go ahead and want to interact with the clients, understand their needs and design our product accordingly.
So all I have seen you have a township coming at Neral. Can you brief me about your project? What Neral is all about? What that project is comprised of?
Vijay Estate would be a destination. We are creating a place wherein you would be having everything at one go. Let it be entertainment, let it be retail, let it be education, everything in that 100-acre township. We are creating a civilization out there. 8,000 families staying in a place like Neral, 10 minutes away from the station, a revolution to come.
So I can say that would be an affordable segment. If you talk about Neral, what is the ticket size of a flat?
Flat starts from 13.5 lakhs. Yeah, the flat starts from 13.5 lakhs. We have got many configurations in that. 1 BHK, 1.5, 2 BHKs we have in that. So it starts from 13.5 lakhs.
Last but not the least, do you have anything to share with our viewers or the visitors who are visiting at the stall?
I would only suggest the visitors to visit every stall, understand the product before going ahead and buying it. And yes, visit our stall as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable inputs. As Mr. Ashish said, there is a lot more a Neral project can offer. Also, Vijay Group has got a Aurovia project which you must come at the stall and experience that. Keep stay tuned to Spin TV. Keep watching Spin TV.